Hey y'all, hey! So as I wrap up my educational technology leadership internship experience, I wanted to take a few minutes to invite you to look at my portfolio. I learned that educational technology isn't really about just technology or technology really at all. It's about solving problems for people. My internship was completed at the B.I. Moody III College of Business Education at the University of Louisiana at Lafayette. Through my internship, I created a career connections hub, which is a centralized communication prototype using the Microsoft platforms, which are proprietary to the university when it comes to software. If you look through my portfolio, you'll see the following, that my entire design had a journey from identifying the problem to researching existing processes, planning a solution, developing the prototype, creating an evaluation plan, and finally reflecting on what I learned throughout this experience. One of my biggest takeaways is learning how to slow down. Before this program, I would have probably started at the building portion because that's what I'm naturally used to. Throughout the problem and solving, I spent a lot of time with stakeholders, reviewing existing resources, researching best practices, and really trying to understand communication challenges before even thinking about designing. That completely changed how I approach technology projects. I also learned that good instructional design isn't about replacing everything that already exists. Sometimes the best solution is connecting existing resources in a way that makes them easier to find or use. Another thing I really appreciated was learning how evaluation is part of the design process, not something you do after the project is finished. Designing an evaluation plan helped me think beyond the internship and consider how the Career Connections Hub could continue to improve over time and based on our stakeholders. If I could give one piece of advice to someone just starting out in technology, education, and leadership, it would be, don't get caught up in trying to build the fanciest technology. Focus on learning the instructional design process. Technology will change, software will change, there will always be new tools. What doesn't change is understanding the learner, identifying a problem, collaborating with stakeholders, designing intentionally, and evaluating whatever your solution is and if it actually works. Those are the skills that will stay with me no matter where my career takes me. Overall, the internship reinforced that educational technology leadership is really about leadership. Designing technology that serves people instead of expecting people to adapt to technology. Thank you for following along my internship journey. I hope you enjoy exploring my portfolio, and I appreciate all of the peer support and everyone who has helped me through this journey.